Hello, in this lab we are going to be working on lab 10.4.7 and we are going to harden a switch. Alright, so let's start up right away. We'll go to our Google Chrome and shut down the unused ports configured. Okay, so let's shut down unused ports. We have a list of unused ports we are to shut down. So let's start with port GE2, edit, down, we go to maximize so that you see apply, and VE7 down, we apply. Let's go here and see success. Copy settings, -21. So let's see 22. And see down, apply. Click this 27, so here we'll click on apply. Configure the following port security settings for the used ports. So we have error recovery settings. Let's see, VLAN management, spawning 3, no, security, port security, yeah, I guess. So port 1, lock, classic, violation discarded. Close this, is done. Let's go to copy settings, apply 3 to 4. Edit, lock, apply, success, close, and then see 21 to 24, we just apply, and let's see, close this, then 26, let's say lock, apply, close. Let's check our answers. Alright, so this is 100% correct. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.